Computer network. A computer network is a group of interconnected computer systems and other computing devices. There are different kinds of computer networks that work in different ways. Networks may be very small and simple, or they may be complex as a global network like the Internet. There may be wired or wireless connections between computers on the network. The computers on the network can communicate with each other as well as work independently. Each computer in a network is called a node. The computers in the network may be linked through a cable, hub, switch, NIC, network interface card, modem or router.